what is group discussion. Your topic of group discussion can be group discussion. Then what you will say about group discussion before starting, a brief introduction is there. Then you can say that group discussion is what. Group discussion in layman language is discussing about 2 or 3 points to get in conclusory note. But many HRs have the group discussion session to find out the willingness and assertiveness in the employee, what they are looking. They want to see true colors of an employee. They want to see the hidden traits of employee, how they manage the condition. If 8 people are sitting over there and continuously talking, so in what manner you manage your team, what are your personal skills, like communication skills, your leadership traits, your interpersonal skills, how you can manage your team effectively, whether you are suitable for that organization or not. This is all about group discussion. So group discussions are mandatory for many things. So in this way you can cohesively answer the things. But then most important thing in any group discussion is there, you have to be continuously involved in group discussion. You have to be a part of group discussion. Your attention, your focus and concentration on group discussion is very important. Whenever you discuss anything, you should be the part of system till end. You can conclude the things if you are the part of group discussion. In this video I will tell you how to explain how to do group discussion. So this video is a reply to the query of Krishna Mondal, who has asked me how to initiate GD, what steps are there in GD and how to conclude it. So I will tell you a mock GD. Here is a mock GD for you. Imagine a situation in which you have 8 candidates. If your topic is controversial, based on any war or any relationship with any country, use your senses. If it is based on real life situation, find solution, and if you are well versed with the topic, it's better to be initiator. If you have any abstract like any number or color, your creativity plays a wide role in it. If you have any description, then here your knowledge, what you gain from reading newspaper articles and blogs play a major role. So how to give introduction in a GT? It's a very formal thing in which you have to give normal greeting depending on the day. Good morning, good afternoon or good evening. You have to greet the people with sir or madam and all the participant. For example, you can say, my name is Ankita, I am B.Pharm graduate from Indore and my hobbies are reading fiction and reciting poems. Friends, I am working with NGO and I believe we should give voice to every person who needs your support. It should be brief and giving exact knowledge about yourself. Talking about the body of GD, if you are initiator, you have to initiate and introduce your point. For example, good morning friends, I am from Mumbai. I have done Bachelor's of Commerce. I love reading books. After a pause, you have to start. And you can use terms like, I believe that women empowerment is a need of hour, because underlying cause is lack of education in children's. As women enjoy topmost position, they earn great reputation in various fields. In the fact, women education is maximum in Kerala. That's all I would like to say at this moment. I hope you all agree with me. Thank you. This is a common example how initiator can initiate any topic. You can do it as per your topic. If you want to be an elaborator, you have to provide facts and statistics. Like again, you can start with a formal introduction and then you can add, this topic is very burning and need of the era. According to reports, as Ms. Preeti rightly said, actually the need is, in addition I want to add this, I believe that an elaborator should include all facts and statistics. If you want to be an influential personality in GD, be a coordinator and keep your discussions on track.
You can say, "Good morning everyone, I'm Kabir, I'm law graduate. I totally agree with Sapna. Matter is very serious and need discussion. What is need to be done? How to create awareness?" Coming to first speaker, she has rightly said that a part of it I want to add. If you are playing any secondary role, you are opinion giver, and if your opinion changes the minds of the people, you will surely be rewarded. You can say, "Hi everyone, good morning. I agree with you, but I cannot agree with Sapna at any cost. I don't know why Miss Sapna is thinking like this and why she supports such an irrelevant activity." You have to impose your opinion on others. If you want to be a critic, role should be like critic and it should be unbiased. I would like to mention, I think we are at the tip of the iceberg. I totally disagree with. And if you want to summarize your discussion, you can say really it was an organized talk. I am absolutely sure that people have learned a lot from it. I totally agree, and discussion is concluded by so and so points. And if discussion is open to everyone, you have to grab the opportunity immediately. Friend, as the discussion is over, let's go to the solution part. You can start with, "It sounds good. Hold it, guys. I don't think this problem is so serious, so why to discuss about the solution?" Friends, we have only 10 minutes. Please keep personal issues on the side. Come on the main point. My friend, I agree with you, but I still believe that good suggestions are always welcome. True, and you can add your